Good morning, my friends. I hope all is well. I just wanted to come and make this quick video, just demonstrating how I make, my way of doing French toast, eggs, and bacon. Very basic and simple. I just figured I'd, make a quick video. That way I'd have some content for the day. The plan is to upload 2 videos today, the vlog that I worked on last night, as well as this one that I'll be uploading within the next couple of minutes. But yeah, this was just a quick and cute little video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and nevertheless, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also comment down below and let me know what you ate for breakfast. Let's get a conversation started. I definitely want to get acquainted with the 50 subscribers that I do have. I greatly appreciate the support, and I look forward to growing with you guys and transforming. But nonetheless, I am going to finish editing my vlog from last night. That's going to be like a really long vlog. Oh, and the bread that I debuted or showed in the first clip, you guys should definitely try it. I got it from Walmart. I got kind of the recipe from my friend Tiana. She used that one day to make French toast, so I've been craving it, so I'm like, I'm gonna use that too. Excuse me. And one of the parts, you guys will see that I almost burnt the French toast because I was doing so much at one time. Look at me dancing. Oh, get a girl, get a girl. Alrighty, I'm gonna finish my coffee and then, like I said, finish editing my vlog. But yes, thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate the continued support from all of you. And until the next video, you all stay blessed, stay safe, and out of the way. Sorry, pause. I was just looking at what I was doing. Like, why do I keep dancing? Okay. Good day, you all.